1957 Torch Red Thunderbird. Restoration is done by the data plate specifications. Her two tops consist of a white replacement convertible top and a torch red porthole hardtop. She is the D series. She's a 312 245 horsepower Thunderbird Special V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor. The Ford-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission, Ford's Masterguide power steering, Thunderbird Air Conditioning installed in Mentor's Thunderbird Restoration Facility. The odometer on this car reads 65,644 miles. The original radiator has been reconditioned. The 6-bladed fan replacing the 4-bladed fan. She's got the parade fan out in front of the radiator for heavy traffic. She's got Ford's C-Clear windshield washer system, Ford's Accessory backup light system, the Town and Country playing radio, the Ford's engine dress-up option, Torch Red seat belts, tinted glass with the Ford Motor Company etching in the glass, the real Thunderbird wire wheels with BF Goodrich wide white walls. Important fact is that the car has been owned in Fort Worth and Dallas, Texas. Both of those are low humidity, dry climate areas, properly garaged.